Founders, are you stuck in pivot purgatory, chasing ghosts while your runway burns? The Pivot Strategy Pack cuts through the noise with battle tested tools. The Signal Detection Toolkit spots market shifts before they hit your KPIs. The Validation Framework stress tests ideas with rapid A B experiments. The Resource Reallocation Planner reallocates budgets with surgical precision, and the Stakeholder Playbook arms you with investor-grade pitch templates. Whether you're a SaaS founder drowning in feature requests, an e-commerce entrepreneur battling platform fatigue, or a deep tech team navigating regulatory cliffs, this is your escape hatch. Spoiler alert, it beats throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping. Here's what's inside the Pivot Strategy Pack. Phase 1. Signal Detection Toolkit with real-time sentiment analysis and competitor benchmarking. Phase 2. Validation Framework featuring experiment templates for pricing elasticity and feature prioritization. Phase 3. Resource Reallocation Planner with burn rate calculators and team reskilling pathways. Phase 4. Stakeholder Playbook containing boardroom pitch decks and employee transition narratives. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't theory, it's your operating system for survival. Installing the Pivot Strategy Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add pivot strategy pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: detection algorithms, experiment scaffolds, resource modeling spreadsheets, and communication blueprints. When you start your next Claude Code session, just type /use pivot-strategy and watch your AI assistant unpack years of pivot wisdom. No more frantic Google searches at 2 a.m. Warning, may cause sudden clarity and investor FOMO.